Dad! Can't see the twist for the trees. Oh, yes, we can.
I'm gonna die with my pants down.
If I help you, will you be my friend and help me?
Yeah, sure. What you doing in that tree, Twist?
Must be a lavatory.
What's going on?
Bridge is down, Rabbit's down, but I'm up.
What's going on? Hey! Not again!
I'm up. I'm down. Let's go.
Yeah. Think you're pretty tough when you stand next to a tree, don't you, Twist? But I'll get you. And the last tree you'll see will be a cemetery! Yeah!
Hi. My name's Ginny Dryad. I'm the spirit of this tree.
Wow.
That poor tree hasn't got a spirit. I'm scared it's going to die.
Oh, well, we better save it then, hey? We could save a whole forest if you'd like.
Would you like to be my boyfriend?
What? Are you kidding? I mean, are you sure? I mean, is it okay for a boy to fall in love with a tree? I mean, a dryad? I mean, a tree spirit?
Of course it's all right.
I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love with a tree. I'm in love with the tree. I love her smile. I love her face. I love everything. I'm in love,
You sound very happy. I couldn't stop thinking about you. I just had to see you.
I can't stop thinking about you either.
I'm so happy to hear that. Now that we're having a baby, I want to be with you forever.
I want to be with you forever. What did you just say?
I want to be with you forever.
What else did you just say?
Now that we're having a baby.
What? We haven't even touched. It doesn't make sense. How can you be...
It's different for dryads. Once a man wees on the tree and you hold hands and kiss, you can't avoid it.
Really?
All I ask is that you let me be there at the birth.
Well, if you're having a baby, of course you're going to be there. Well...
Don't be silly. Dryads can't have babies. That's why you're having it.
What?
In 2 days, you're going to be a mother. Morning, Pete.
Morning.
Morning.
What's the bacon and eggs?
You all right?
I'm fine, of course I'm fine.
Well, you look all right. Actually, you've got a rosy kind of glow about you.
Tell them.
Thanks, I'll handle it.
Well, it was meant as a compliment.
Sorry, I'm not myself today.
Is anything the matter?
Nothing's wrong, it's just, well, you know Jeannie, that girl I was telling you about?
Oh, the one that's not all there.
What's he saying?
Nothing, it's okay. Oh, well, she's really smart and intelligent and beautiful and well, we just met and one thing led to another and you know what happens?
No?
No?
I think he's trying to tell us he got her pregnant.
Who, Faye?
What?
No, of course I didn't get her pregnant.
Phew.
She made me pregnant.
Faye got you pregnant?
What are you talking about?
No, I'm pregnant to Jeannie. I'm having her baby.
Have you been eating Faye's buns?
Pete, I just want you to know that whatever happens, I'm here for you.
But Dad, he's not biologically equipped to have babies.
Just tell them it comes out through your mouth.
Through my mouth? What? I can't have a baby through my mouth.
I think we need to have a little chat. You seem a bit confused.
Are you sure you're pregnant?
Yes.
I think we need to have a big chat.
Do you reckon I'll still make it onto the footy team?
Well,
I just don't feel good about this.
Childbirth is very natural. There's no need to be ashamed.
Not natural for a schoolboy to be pregnant. Look, I don't want anybody finding out that I'm up the duff. If Grims found out, he'd razz me stupid.
We won't tell him.
We won't tell anybody, okay?
Hey, Twist, I want to talk to you.
It's about the mud.
And the trees.
Yeah.
Don't hurt me, I'm pregnant!
Now, your bodies are going through a period of transition known as puberty.
You know this girl you see, the one that you can't see? Is she, like, desperate or something?
Is she calling desperate?
Oh, please, she's just jealous.
What do you think? I'm jealous.
Tell her to butt out.
I know what to say.
What's going on down here?
Twist's going through a period of transition. He's expecting, sir.
What?
He's, with child, sir.
In the family way, sir.
Look, Twist, whatever trouble you're having coming to terms with puberty, I suggest you share them with the school psychiatrist.
Is there a school midwife?
Be seated.
So have you had any food cravings?
No, not really.
Do you want the chocolate sauce on top of the tripe or next to the tripe?
On top.
Oh, yuck.
Honey Twist.
So the baby will be coming out of your mouth.
Hello.
Yeah, it'll be a tight fit.
Media rights and a sponsorship deal?
So you're going to do any birthing classes?
Nah, he'll be doing burping classes.
Funny.
Don't worry, darling. They're just jealous. I'll look after you.
Thank you. That's really nice of you.
My pleasure. I cannot stomach tripe.
I don't think so, Harold. Bye. Mr. Gribble wants to turn the pregnancy into some sort of media circus.
People just don't understand what it's like. I'm not just some pregnant thing. I'm a person too, you know. You understand?
Chocolate.
What I'm thinking is we should paint the whole lighthouse before the birth.
I don't think you'll have time for that.
You all right?
People don't realise what I'm going through. People still die during childbirth, you know.
Come on, Pete. Less than 1% of women die through childbirth.
Yeah, and what percentage of boys die in childbirth?
We don't know what caused it. Could it be the sea air? Could it be the conviviality of our community? Maybe it's local government. Either way, I think I hear Pete coming now.
Pete, how's it feel to be my mother?
What are your inner feelings about motherhood, Pete?
I've got a sore back, I'm nauseous. Butcher's run out of tripe. The chocolate sauce is giving me pimples. I'm really worried about world poverty, but apart from that, I'm fine.
What does your friends think about all this, Pete?
I'll have to leave it there. Sorry, but I'm afraid Pete's running late for school.
Just one more question. You're only 13, yet you're going through things a grown woman normally feels. How does that affect you, Pete?
Excuse me.
You're the one who's having the baby. I understand that. But I am the father. And I'm trying to be supportive. But everyone just ignores me as though I don't exist. They just look straight through me.
Look, I've got a life living inside of me. That's all I can think about right now. I can't deal with your problems, okay?
I don't know what your game is, Twist, but you better have a good explanation.
I think it's called prenatal stress, sir.
And that's why we say Port Miranda is a place fertile with opportunity. In fact, it is the fertility centre of the shipwreck coast. Pete, now don't be shy. You are the mother of the moment.
And who's the father, Pete?
Well, she's...
The father's a she.
Look, don't worry about the father. That's not important. Wait a minute. Look, don't worry. It's just a little bit of morning sickness in the afternoon.
The contractions have started.
We better take you to sick bay.
Hey, Twistoid. Just 'cause you're pregnant, Twist, Doesn't mean you can avoid the knuckle burger.
Yeah!
We don't have time for this. He's gonna have a baby any minute now.
Can't you see he's a contractor?
Please, can you help me?
Okay, we'll give you a hand, but then we'll beat you up.
Thanks, Gribbs. I really appreciate. Bron, go to the big tree in the forest and get Teeny for me.
Is she the one who's not all there?
Yes.
Is there enough of her that I can see her?
Get it for me.
Can I borrow your bike?
Yeah, go.
Open your mouth. I'm not sure if it's fully dilated or not.
I saw this movie where there was a birth scene.
What was the movie?
I think it was Alien.
Oh, what if I joke?
You sure it's not a furball?
Janie! Whoever you are, whatever you are, wherever you are, Pete needs you!
Just keep breathing. Breathing's really important. If you don't breathe, you won't be able to burp.
Quick, go get some boiling water.
Okay, if I can't get some water, I'll get some Diet Coke.
Janie! Pete needs your help! He doesn't know what to do about the fast contractors!
It's very tense here at the burp scene.
I saw another movie where there was this monster and he gave birth through its nose like a giant snotball.
Maybe we should get some nasal decongestant.
Oh, Peter! Pete!
Oh, Jeannie, I'm sorry.
I'm the one that's
really sorry.
Sorry, I was only thinking of myself.
Hey, look, you want to fight with Twist? Get in line.
Could we have the baby first, please?
Come on, it's a projectile. I'm ready for it.
Okay, Pete, deep breath. Okay.
Come on, Pete. Come on.
And burp.
Come on, Pete.
Come on,
Pete. Do it, Pete.
Keep burping.
Come on, Pete.
Don't be a jumper, son. Burp. Come on, breathe, Pete. Go breathe. Come on, Pete. Yeah, come on, Pete. Come on, Pete. Come on.
That's the most beautiful tree spirit I've ever seen in my life.
Brings a real lump to your throat, doesn't it? It's the most beautiful thing I've ever experienced.
Could be twins.
Excuse me, just a bit of afterburp.
Call me Linda. Auntie Linda. That sad tree is going to be so happy. Probably saved its life.
Well, I'm grateful for the experience, but I just don't think I'm ready to be a real mum yet.